Kuhumbwo thumbi ya gikiro gia PhD kuri munini wa President William Ruto kuramukirirwo na gikeno ni aingi. Hinde ya igongona ria gukunguira uhotani uyu, Ruto augite kiria kiramutindikiriirie muno wa githoma ni kumenya kuri na andu aingi mamurorete iguru.
Nothing has humbled me in my life than braving the grueling demands of attaining the doctorate degree that has been conferred on me today. In the course of pursuing this degree, particularly when my supervisors were hard on me, I occasionally interrogated what great men and women of yore thought about education.
And I think it serves as an example to all of us that if the Deputy President, a busy person, is able to graduate with a PhD, what about us?
Atongoria aria marekinyitie othe mararagia ciĩgie hinya mweru uria riu magite naguo wa guthie na mbere na maundu matiganite thengia wao gukorwo mari na mawira maingi.
I am inspired more than anybody else. Now I can't be Minister for Education if I also don't do what you did. So I'll work very, very hard. But again, congratulations, Your Excellency. You've always been an inspiration.
That a person in the position of the Deputy President was able to take his time, manage his time well, to be able to do a Doctor of Philosophy in plant ecology.
Kweli ametutia nguvu na sisi kama watu wake wa karibu tunafuata nyayo.
You have shown indeed our children from across the country that you can work not just to be a deputy president but to attain the highest pinnacle in academics.
Ninge ciana iria irathie na mbere na githomo ni ikugia na mweke wa kurotera maundu manene gutekumakania kuria muimite.
Many who would not have had the chance to get to anywhere that will be recognized look up to you as their inspiration, that you can work and be anything and anybody you want to be by sheer hard work.
Ruto augite atongoria no nginyagia magakoragwo na ugi na nikio aratuire itua ria guthie na mbere na githomo niguo atuike mutongoria kionereria kuri bururi.
The boundaries between the academia, industry and government will blur even more because leadership must become intensely knowledge-based and governance information-driven.
And the challenge is none of us is too busy to do and to achieve the next great thing in their lives.
You are really one of the people now here I speak as an individual that I've really looked up to in the sense of how you work. How, I don't know anyone who can do so many meetings in one day and still be so fresh when he goes to the next meeting and be able to talk without seeming like it's the 8th meeting in a day.
Ruto arahumbirwo thumbi no University ya Nairobi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Ndagitari wa Jihia.